Kia ora, ko Poto Davies ahau, no kore ki kahukura. My role here in this particular kaupapa is I'm the chair of Manawanui Development Limited Partnership, and we run the farms, and this whenua we are on, the Papakainga, was part of the farm, so we subdivided off the Papakainga for the whānau. When they come and said we want to live on our own whenua, it was a no-brainer, eh? It was really easy to decide, yep, go for it. There are conditions on this Papakainga. You have to come home to live, so that means bringing home your kids, bringing home all your kaumātua and your korokaraua. Whānau know what their future is. They're secure, they've got these beautiful homes to live in, and they know what they can offer other people too, you know, in terms of guidance and being that example to say, hey, we can do it too.
We approached Te Puni Kōkiri for support, one through feasibility, that then lent itself into full infrastructure funding. Part of the relationship that we established with Te Puni Kōkiri was really quite multi-layered, so while it was directed towards the infrastructure side of the Papakainga, we received support from the Waikato office from start to finish in the program. We need to be responsible kaitiaki when initiating new development, and that includes the notion that no paru is to touch our tupuna awa. We recognise that we all have different housing needs. The Papakainga would become our anchor for balanced development into the future. We looked at a way of targeting specifically housing affordability and what whānau would be financially ready to take on a house and land package.
It's an emotional journey for me to see something being built from the ground up. I'm happy, it's home. This Papakainga is beautiful, but I need to remember it's an extension of our pā, which is up the hill. But it is fulfilling knowing that I'm back to this way of life again. I think the bridging point would be the kids. All our kids play all the time. They're always outside and always going in and out of houses. I love it. I love this whare. My kids love their whare, but it's not just my whare. It's for everyone.
When this first kicked off 2 years ago and we all gathered here on the whenua, and we could just feel the momentum. So we both knew this was the one and we flowed with it, and here we are.
We financially are better off buying our house in this particular way of buying and setting up a mortgage than we were when we were renting.
I'm a big believer that it takes a marae, it takes a Papakainga to raise a child, and I know that our tupuna are celebrating with us.
Our whenua is warm again. For me, that's this Papakainga. Has brought people home who never thought they'd have a real home, who've lost connection to our pā. In terms of the future, that paddock there's perfect for the next stage. And this is our aspiration, that councils make changes, real change to their district plans, so it enables whānau to build Papakainga on their ancestral land so that everybody has that security for their kids.